You know, a knife is really awesome. When you get one, you want to get more of them. The Kizer Dropbear is one of those knives that I really like. It has a few features that is exceptional. For the price, you're getting this one, which is a carbon fiber edition of it, and you might expect this to pay in the same range as the famous bug out knife. But in reality, this is half the price, and it has the same quality as well. Nitro-V blade over here, rapid deployment, and one hand close as well. The next thing about this that I like it so much is the handling of this knife with jippering right at the top, and of course when you open it up, two ways for you to open, and the looks is just amazing too. So when you're considering and you're thinking, should I get this with the access lock included for the price, you're getting a deal of a lifetime. So this knife I actually own and I like it a lot. The reason why I like almost all the drop barrels is that you can even go ahead, open the guts of it, and in case you want to swap this with another one that they have, sometimes they have different kind of covers, and you can go ahead and do this with minimal amount of effort. You don't have to go and do some complicated things when you do open it up, and the best part, you can change the tension as you open it as well. And the best thing is the knife itself looks just amazing in your hand. Just take a look at how beautiful it actually looks. The carbon fiber shows right throughout the entire knife, but the looks of it is just mesmerizing. And for the price, you would think this thing costs much more than it does. The price is nice. The quality is just amazing. The way it opens and closes is beautiful. So we get this knife, we open it up two ways. One way is for you to just grab it and open just like this. To close it, it's very simple. Put your two fingers right here and pull it down. Just make sure your fingers are away from the handle. And then it's just go ahead and drop itself just all the way to the bottom. Second way for you to open is just use your finger, put it right here, and then putting your other fingers on the back over here, keeping the metal intact, and you're gonna open this up just like this. Voila! The knife itself looks marvelous. The looks of it is just beautiful. The whole handle is black in this specific version with Nitro-V blade over here. The whole thing has and features a carry clip as well that is included with this. The ergonomics are just mind-blowing. Take a look at how you're holding this. No hot spots at all with this knife, at all. Now, not only that, the looks of it is just amazing too. So if you're in the market for some beautiful looking knife that you are thinking to impress your friends or co-workers or just for EDC purposes, this one is definitely something for you to consider. I really like the green carbon fiber over here, and the sun makes this shine in very interesting ways. Any source of light will do the same as well. And at the same exact time, the knife itself is a beautiful piece of artwork. And I really dig this. At the top over here we have a groove as well here, and the best part is as you open this up, for those of you who want to get up close and personal to the action, you can actually do that. If you have big hands, you can go ahead and grab it as well. The knife itself is a beautiful piece of artwork, and I highly suggest and recommend you to get this. It is an exceptional, beautiful looking knife that's going to be your favorite EDC from now on.